So good morning students, that begins the class. So in the last class I have given you little introductions of the poem Rain on the Roof. So now I am going to explain you one paragraph of this poem. So let me read out the paragraph first. You just open the books and see. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spares, and the melancholy darkness gently weep in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. So this is the first paragraph. So you see the paragraphs. When the humid shadow hover. So humid means wet. Ready? Wet it is. Hover means appear over. So now in the starry sky, the sky was full of starry, but suddenly it will be hover, covered by the dark clouds. So now this darkness in the poetic language, in the poem, it will be described as a sadness. So which is the word sadness here? It is with melancholy. The word melancholy is used to describe the scene, that as the darkness hover over the starry sphere, means sky, then the poet who was in his cottage chamber, he feel little upset, sad. Some reflectives comes in his mind. So he become very upset, means very sorrow. Then what happens, as we know, when people becomes upset or sorrow, then what happens, sad thinkings comes, then we begin to cry, then the tears fall from our eyes. So here similarly, the clouds that cover in the sky, and it was a very hot, humid. Now it began to rain. So this rain is described here as the rainy tears, like a rainy tears. So in this stanza, poet says that at this time the cloud hover over all the stars, making them unseen at this time. So now you cannot see the star. This sad darkness make him and the reflectives. Rain seems to mirror his emotion, as it looks like tears falling softly from human eyes. It is the bliss to praise the pillow lying in a cottage bed when the rain is pouring on the roof. The sound of raindrops on the roof enables the poet to recover from his gloomy thoughts. The stanza revived the picture of the rain falling and the poet reclining to the cottage bed at such an evening. So in the beginning part, he was very upset, and his sadness is shown through the melancholy. The words melancholy, darkness, very sad darkness. But soon it began to rain. Then these rains falling on the roof, and it's produced a very beautiful sound, the patters of the rain, and this relaxed the poet, and it's a very joyful moment for the poet to sleep, to press his pillow and to sleep in his cozy bed in his cottage chamber. So in the next paragraphs we'll see what are the different thoughts comes into the mind of the poet when he listened to the spatters of the rain falling on the roof. Till then, thank you.